Compact recording devices now offer clearer sound, smarter controls, and reliable remote access for everyday monitoring needs. Best hidden audio recorder with live listening features, real-time audio access, discrete designs, long battery performance, and simple mobile connectivity, making these devices practical for meetings, office use, personal security, and convenient hands-free recording in different environments. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Elasound 100H Hidden Audio Recorder. The Elasound 100H Hidden Audio Recorder stands out as a practical option for users who need long recording sessions combined with easy operation. One of the biggest strengths of this recorder is its massive storage capacity. With support for up to 9,800 hours of audio recording through the included 128GB TF card, it's designed for people who regularly capture meetings, lectures, interviews, or study sessions without constantly worrying about deleting files. The compact design also makes it convenient to carry in a pocket, backpack, or desk drawer without drawing attention. Another impressive feature is the AI-powered Intelligent Noise Cancellation System. The built-in DSP 4.0 chip works to reduce surrounding noise and focus more clearly on voices, which can be especially useful in busy offices, classrooms, or public areas. During playback, recordings sound cleaner and easier to understand compared to many standard voice recorders in the same category. This feature adds real value for students, journalists, and professionals who rely on understandable recordings for note-taking or documentation purposes. Ease of use is another area where the Elasound recorder performs well. The one-touch recording system removes the frustration of navigating complicated menus or settings.
Number 2. OIUFEVF Magnetic Hidden Audio Recorder. The OIUFEVF Magnetic Hidden Audio Recorder combines portability, versatility, and impressive storage capacity into a very compact design. One of the first things users notice about this recorder is its slim and lightweight construction. Measuring only 0.22 inches thick and weighing just 0.06 pounds, it easily slips into a pocket, notebook, or bag without becoming noticeable. Its small size makes it ideal for travel, classroom use, meetings, or general everyday recording tasks where convenience matters most. A standout feature of this recorder is its multifunctional design. Beyond recording audio, the device also works as a USB flash drive for storing files and an MP3 player for music playback. This added versatility gives users more value from a single gadget rather than carrying multiple devices separately. The recorder's strong, double-sided magnetic attachment system is another major advantage. It securely attaches to metal surfaces, providing stable placement during recordings, while allowing hands-free operation. This can be useful in offices, workshops, or vehicles where stable positioning improves sound capture.
Number 3. AFFETUNI Magnetic Hidden Audio Recorder. The AFFETUNI Magnetic Hidden Audio Recorder is designed for users who prioritize long battery life, clear audio quality, and dependable hands-free functionality. One of the most impressive features of this recorder is its exceptional continuous recording capability. With support for up to 35 days of recording on a single charge, it easily stands out among many compact voice recorders. This extended battery performance makes it highly useful for long-term projects, conferences, research sessions, or situations where charging frequently may not be practical. Audio quality is another major strength of the AFFETUNI recorder. The device uses advanced AI-powered triple-layer noise reduction technology to minimize background distractions and improve vocal clarity. Whether recording in a busy office, classroom, or outdoor environment, the recorder focuses on capturing conversations more clearly while filtering unnecessary ambient sounds. Playback quality remains sharp and understandable, which is important for users who depend on accurate audio documentation for work or study purposes.
Number 4. TensaOne Wireless Hidden Audio Recorder. The TensaOne Wireless Hidden Audio Recorder offers a modern and highly convenient recording experience for users who want simplicity combined with smart features. One of the key highlights of this recorder is its intelligent voice-activated recording system. The device automatically begins recording when sound is detected and pauses during quiet moments, helping conserve both battery life and storage space. This feature is especially useful for meetings, lectures, classrooms, or interviews where long periods of silence do not need to be recorded. Another advantage of the TensaOne recorder is its flexible recording control. Users are not limited to automatic recording modes because the device also allows manual recording whenever needed. This gives more control during important situations where continuous recording is preferred. The straightforward operation makes it suitable for beginners as well as users who simply want a hassle-free recording device without complicated settings or menus. The AI-powered voice clarity technology is another standout feature. The recorder works to reduce unwanted background noise and improve the quality of spoken voices.
Number 5. COHANA 5000 mAh Hidden Audio Recorder. The COHANA 5000 mAh Hidden Audio Recorder is built for users who need extremely long battery performance, large storage capacity, and dependable recording quality in a compact design. One of the biggest highlights of this recorder is its powerful 5000 mAh battery, which supports up to 35 days or roughly 1,000 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. This extended runtime makes it ideal for long meetings, research projects, lectures, or situations where frequent charging would be inconvenient. The impressive standby time of up to 460 days further adds to its practicality for long-term use. Audio quality is another strong area for the COHANA recorder. The device uses AI-powered triple noise reduction technology combined with intelligent DSP chips to minimize background noise and improve voice clarity. In noisy environments, such as offices, classrooms, or public spaces, the recorder performs well at capturing cleaner and more understandable conversations. The enhanced sound quality helps make playback easier to review for work, study, or personal reference.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.